Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'll be taking you around this Toyota Corolla Touring. This Corolla is finished in white and is powered by a 2-litre VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model, the boot can be remotely accessed where you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. This space can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch dark grey finished alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights providing great visibility in all weather conditions. Into the rear you'll find half-leather seats with head restraints as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front and the drive is presented with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel as well as half-leather seats with integrated headrests. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to voice commands, hands-free capabilities, as well as cruise control and speed limiter and lane assist. The fully digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be accessed using the multifunction steering wheel. In the centre, a fully coloured touchscreen display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, keeping you connected all the time. A rear camera helping you with those tight spaces. Just below the coloured display is the controls to the dual climate control, letting the driver and the passenger adjust the temperature to their liking. Air conditioning is also provided for those hot months. In the centre console, a charging pocket, the control to the heated seats, the gear selector, electronic handbrakes, cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.